The RainStick performs a flush-through sequence when powering on, indicated by the controller pulsing white for 60 seconds. You will hear a water gurgling sound, and once the sequence is complete, RainStick will power off and is ready to use. To start using RainStick, press and hold the main controller for 3 seconds. The RainStick starts when the controller pulses white. In recirculating shower mode, the light will stay white and is ready to use. To adjust the water temperature, turn the controller to the left to heat or to the right to cool the water until you reach your desired temperature. You can also pre-warm the water to your desired temperature using the RainStick Shower app. To switch to traditional shower mode, press the controller in twice. In this mode, the central nozzles of the shower head provides a low-flow shower experience with a flow rate of 1.8 gallons per minute. To switch back to circulating shower mode, press the controller twice. Water will flow from the outer nozzles of the shower head, a powerful shower experience with a flow of 3 gallons per minute. RainStick has 2 modes that the user can select, both traditional shower mode and circular shower mode. While in traditional shower mode, 1.8 gallons per minute flows through the center nozzles. In circular mode, the outer nozzles flow 3 gallons per minute and is the default mode for the system. It is important to note that using aftermarket shower heads voids the warranty. Press and hold the main controller for 3 seconds to turn RainStick off. Every now and then, the Micron pre-screens will need to be cleaned by the user. Simply slide out the pump intake and remove any large debris. Rinse with water or clean with a cloth before aligning and sliding back into place. "45 seconds after powering the shower off, RainStick will start up again for 30 seconds, completing an automated session clean. During this clean, a little bit of RainStick original cleaning product is used. If for any reason you need to return to your shower, press the controller to return it back to its previous state. To activate the foot spout, press the button on the top of the controller. Push the same button to turn it off or to go back to the previous shower setting. Place one hand on each side of the bottom enclosure and gently pull back. Uncap the compartment and add RainStick original cleaning product. Follow the directions found on the 2 bottles. A tip here, you can use the foot spout or handheld to fill the dispensing compartment with water before placing the cap back on and closing the compartment. Place the end of the hose onto the foot spout and turn clockwise until it's tight. Press the button on the top of the controller to switch water flow to the handheld shower, and again to turn off or on and go back to the previous shower mode. The RainStick will let you know when it's time for a deep clean session through the RainStick Shower app. Generally, a deep clean is required upon each tank refill. You can start a deep clean session from the app directly. To do this manually, press the controller and the top button at the same time for at least 5 seconds. The controller will pulse blue to indicate deep cleaning has started. It's time to live a sustainable lifestyle without compromise. For more information, you can visit rainstickshower.com or reach out to us at support@rainstickshower.com.